It's not the weekend. I mean,
Ready for the gasping contest?
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, ready.
I'll start.
They're probably listening to it. And they know exactly what we're doing. I have to get a good one.
I'm running out of breaths.